Hey guys, check out this really nice adjustable book stand. This book stand here, you can adjust it to 3 different heights. First, you can have it flat down like this, which is really nice if you are reading. You can go ahead and slant it up slightly. And then you also can have it extended up higher. This is really nice for when you're in the kitchen, you need a little bit more counter space. I love having it higher like this whenever I'm doing recipes and cooking with my kids. It has a good weight to it, so you know it's gonna hold your book on top. This actually can hold 6.6 pounds, and that's fairly heavy. This is big enough for like a laptop to fit on it or a tablet to fit on it, as long as your books. I love that it has a nice 360 spin to it, which makes it really nice if you have multiple people who are looking at the recipes. You can kind of just tilt it, whoever needs to look at it, or if you are reading a book to your kids. I love reading it. You know, they always want to see it wherever they're sitting in the room. And like I said, the base is super sturdy, and on the bottom it has a nice material on it. It's like a little foam silicone material, so it's gonna stay right in place while you're using it. So these little things right here, that's what's gonna hold your pages in place for you. But on them, if you can see, they have like a little metal ball to it, which makes it really easy to glide across your page. So that way if you are reading, you don't have to use both hands. It's meant so you can just go ahead and use one hand. And it works just like that. But yeah, overall, I love the quality of this. I love the brown and the black. It just looks very, very nice to the eye. So it'll fit any room, whether you have it in your office, your living room, or in your kitchen. So what's really nice about this book stand too is that whenever you're done with it, whenever you want to kind of put it out of the way, you can go ahead and fold it down and it collapses. So you can go ahead and stick it right into your bookshelf and keep it away until you're ready to use it again. So if you're looking for a really nice book stand, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.